I want to say thank you to this customer from Maryland. He really helped me out. He sent me an illustration and asked if we could redesign the mushroom in the ring set, since she doesn't like red. So here comes the second version. She loved it and suggested we should add it into the shop. Yes, she's right. People love it. Both are cute, but second version gives off more autumn vibes. The second set she picked is cherries and pearls. My husband designed it as a sister set of our popular stars and pearls. The last one is strawberry filled. A very clean and sweet design that many customers have ordered. How time flies! August will come to an end in 1 week, and autumn will truly come. How exciting! All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. Autumn and winter are great seasons to make cute nails, maple leaves, pumpkins, mushrooms, and snow. Hope our cute creation could bring everyone a smile.